Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and in this video we're going to do a little arts and crafts. Sometimes when you receive a graph, it'll be on a single page and it'll be very small, and some people have trouble seeing the tiny little blocks and the tiny little numbers. So what I like to do is I will bust my graph down into either 4 or 6 pages where the graph is slightly bigger on each page. And today I'm going to show you how to cut and tape these together so that you have a much larger graph that is easier to see and work with. So in this example, we are using my sleeping teddy bear graph baby blanket. And if you're interested in that pattern, it'll be linked in the description box below. And I've broken it down into 4 larger graphs. Like I said before, it does come in an option of 6 to make it even larger. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to deal with the 4-page right now. So let me show you how to cut and tape these together to make a larger graph. So first of all, on each page, what we're looking for is the exterior of the picture. So you would lay your pictures out so you would kind of get an idea of which order they would go in. So you can kind of see, yeah, you can kind of see how it looks like the sleepy bear. So what you'd want to do is mark your exterior lines, because we're going to cut out all this middle section. So anything, simple X, check mark, however you want to do it. I'd rather do it in pencil so that it can be erased later. But now that we have everything marked, one by one we can cut these. I will show you exactly how to do that before we start taping them together. Okay, so we know this is the exterior lines that we want to keep. These numbers we do not need. So let's go ahead and start cutting. Done. Now we're just left with the sides that we want to keep, the exterior lines. So we're going to put our graph together like a puzzle. You can leave the bottom part down here. Let's see if you can see it. You can leave the bottom part down here if you wish, but I just cut it off. Apparently I cut it off a little crooked. So now what we're gonna, now our graph is really big. And if you had a 6-page graph, it would be even bigger and much easier to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to tape them together now. So my tape is not clear, so we're going to flip this over. You could tape it on the front, but we're going to tape this on the back. That wasn't as close as it should have been. See if we can get that a little closer. Oops, it moved. Oops. All right, try your best to keep these lines as close together as possible. Let's see how we did. Not a perfect job. It would be easier if you had clear tape and you did it from the front where you could piece it together better. Next time I'll use clear tape, but you get the idea. Then you can erase your marks on here if you'd like it to be more clean. But overall, this is how you make your graph larger so it's easier to see and work with. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.